is this, guys? Let's open. Tadang! Okay. Hello, mga dear. I have something to unbox for you for today. And napakaganda po niya and na-love at first sight po ako sa kanya. Matagal ko na siya nabili last month, September 21. Pero sa sobrang busy ng schedule, ang dami ko pong ginagawa. I have the time now to unbox what I purchased last month in Louis Vuitton Ginza. Ako nga pala si Lelani Navarro na Naomi and I'm staying here in Japan. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe me. It's all about unboxing or reviews to this channel. Okay? So, eto na siya, guys. Ta-da! Pardon for my English, please, guys. Ang taba ko na. So, eto na tayo ngayon. Comes with another paper bag from Louis Vuitton. Yan. So, every time nagpo-purchase kami ng Louis Vuitton, may extra paper bag talaga po silang binibigay. Ayan po. And nung time, it was raining, kaya includes na yung cellophane para hindi siya mabasa. Pero hindi rin namin nagagamit because we go there by car. So, it's okay lang. And it comes with a receipt. Siyempre, importante yung mga resibo. Ayan, September 21 po siya na-purchase sa Louis Vuitton Ginza. Okay, and guys, guess what? I purchased last month in Louis Vuitton Ginza. Tchana! So, ganyan po ang box. Maliit po siya. Ayun, naka-ribbon. Okay. Tcharan! So, it comes with a dust bag. Okay, dust bag. What is this, guys? Let's open. Tadang! Okay. Do you have an idea? What is this? Chan, 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 chan. Okay. Wow. Ayan na siya. So, this is what they call the By My Side 20mm belt. And she's not available for now. The By My Side 20mm belt. What they call the By My Side belt 20mm, and she's not available for now. And the By My Side belt 20mm draws the eye to its intricately woven strap. The design incorporates with a gold color hardware chain intertwined with calf leather for an eye-catching look. Oh my God. Finish with a charm featuring the iconic LV circle. So, look at this iconic LV circle. Look at the details. And mga dear, napakaganda. She's so beautiful. Yan. Look at this. Finish with a charm featuring the iconic LV circle. This fashion-forward style can be worn with coordinating items from the Dauphin chains line. And the details is, this is 20 centimeter or 7.87 inches. Okay, with the width of 2 centimeter or 0.8 inches. And the black color and the gold color hardware. As you can see, napaka-gold ang color niya. Ayan. As you can see, the gold color hardware and the calf leather. So, calf leather. And the LV circle wrapped in a black leather. Yeah. So, wrapped in a black leather and adjustable snap hook closure. So, she's adjustable. You can connect whatever you want. Let's try to make a fashion, a necklace. Let's try. She's so heavy. Let's try as a fashion necklace. So how about that one, guys? You can use this as gold hardware. Okay. Oh, Chan, this is so beautiful. You can use this also as a necklace. Fashion. Okay, how about that one? The necklace there, you can use the gold or the black. Yan. Ang ganda. So, what do you think, dear? If I use this a necklace, or you can adjust. Pwede naman natin siyang i-adjust here. So you can connect, you can connect everywhere you want. Okay. So how about this one? Oh my God, this is very useful. Yay! Ang cute. Yung result niya. And she's more beautiful if you're wearing the white pants. Okay, this one. And okay. Or you can use the gold one icon. So, baliktarin natin para ma-emphasize yung gold. It's easy to connect because ang dami niyang pwedeng pagkukonikan sa holes. At ang ganda. Look at that, guys. Chan. Okay. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. And let's try this to your bag because yung color niya, nagma-match, it's matching color. Okay, let's try, guys. Put this one here. So what do you think if I use this strap? Okay. Actually, Alma has a strap. Okay. And you can go to the party. Okay. And this is the Louis Vuitton. Yung logo here. Ayan. Or you can use this one. And I love these straps. Super. So, ayan, you can use this strap. Ay, ang ganda niya, guys. Grabe, promise. Ano siya, napakalambot. Okay. Ayan. And I have a sunglass here, which I bought last 2 months ago. Okay, yeah. You can see the Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And that is the details. Okay, this is what I purchased in Louis Vuitton last 2 months ago. Wow. Okay. As you can see, you can use this as shoulder. Yan. Or pwede din pala siyang accessories. Look at this. You can use this as accessories to your bag. And guys, so look at what I did to my bag. Okay, just for fun, just trying. If pwede siyang magamit as an strap to my capucine. Okay. And pwede din pala siya sa capucine, okay? So, ganyan siya. Ay, ang ganda niya. Or, pwede rin siyang accessories. Okay, ganyan. Pag sobrang simple lang kasi si, capucine. Okay, pwede rin siyang accessories. So, ito, nag-bis tayo. Pag puti po yung suot nyo, ganito yung itsura. Kisikipan pa natin. Ganyan po siya. Pag puti yung suot. Ayan. So, kailangan kasi by my side yung tawag niya. Kailangan nasa side siya. By your side. Okay. Ayan guys. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. Promise. Okay, and the other use of this. Okay, so tignan nyo. And this is my Louis Vuitton sunglass. O, diba? Tapos, naka crafty alma ka. O, diba? Ang sexy. Okay, ganyan siya. O, ba LV na LV. And napakaganda po ni Alma Crafty. Grabe. And my Louis Vuitton sunglass. Yay! Okay. So, sa mga disclaimer ha, hindi po ako nagmamayabang dito. Please enjoy watching and no bashing ha. Kasi, enjoy lang tayo. Takay sa labas, nakaganyan. Diba? So, ito pala yung suot ko is, Sara ko po ito yung nabili last year. And my sunglass, Louis Vuitton, I love so much. Tignan nyo ang details ni Alma Crafty. So, napakaganda. And the details na by my side. Okay, so, i-try natin si by my side sa pag hindi tayo nakatuck-in. Okay, guys. So, ganyan siya. Ang cute niya talaga. Ang dami niya pwedeng ang dami niya pwedeng paggamitan, guys, nitong si So, pag may available sa store, get it. Kasi hindi ka magsisisi. Ang ganda niya talaga, I promise. And with this one, Louis Vuitton. So, mga dear, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And sana nagugustuhan nyo yung pag-unbox ko at pag-review sa LV by my side chain belt. Suggest kung ano pa ang pwedeng paggagamitan ni by my side belt chain ng Louis Vuitton. Thank you so much. And see you to my next vlog. Bye guys. Bye dear. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye guys.